Yeah, so today we are planning on going eating some pomegranates. There's Rashid. Oh, Rashid. Come on, Rashid. Yeah, so now we arrived at the Sharafia market. We are. Oh, bach ke. Oh, Nadeem. Pyare Nadeem. Get. Nariyal. Oh, yeah, it's difficult to open. But at least we can drink the water. What do you think? So Rashid is trying to open it up. So our food. In the meanwhile, we are figuring out how to open this up. हो गया? ये लाओ, ये तो मेरा था. The weather is just amazing. It's breezy, it's cold. Hello everyone. So welcome back to another vlog, and as usual for the past few days this has been the start of the vlog.
Assalamualaikum.
How are you, Nadeem? How was your day?
Alhamdulillah, fine.
Yeah.
Everything is good.
Yeah, so today we are planning on going eating some pomegranates. Inshallah, some anar, and then we'll see. Maybe we might also have some tea later. And Nadeem, you need to actually close your door properly, and I need to wear the seatbelt. And now it's time for us to go, and I'll hand over this camera to you for a little bit.
Thank you.
Just record a little bit of it. No, that's not true. We are actually the solution providers.
We are problem creators.
We are the solution providers.
Okay, you are Kaizen.
Nadeem, why are you so slow in front of the camera? There's Rashid. Oh, Rashid. Come on, Rashid. Come.
Yeah, you see, Mr.
See,
Rashid
Mr. Rashid.
also join us.
Huh? बैठो बस, बैठने वाली बात करो. आजो भैया. See, now we have another gem with us. Rashid, welcome. How are you? You came from your driving lesson.
Yeah.
How was it? How was your day so far?
How was your class?
How was your class? We are going to eat. Inshallah. Hopefully all will go well. Are you confident? Inshallah. So today we are going to eat Rashid pomegranates. Yeah. Anar.
Anardana.
Would you like to join? You are a part of the plan anyways. So yeah, there's no road up ahead. So you see there's some crane doing its thing over there. So you hold this. There is some space, I think. I think. No. नहीं जानी. So now we are going back. Turn the camera towards us, Nadeem. Pyare Nadeem. Yeah.
Sama pyare.
Rashid, you have to go to another place after 1 p.m. Huh? Some other place? I think you have to go to another substation.
Which one?
9026 for some remote end. But anyways, keeping that work stuff aside, see there's another crane over there.
दूसरों का सही आइडिया नहीं बना रहा है
यार बनिएगा कोई नहीं. चलो, now we need to close the video. We'll meet you over there because now we have to talk about our work. Guys, so now we arrived at the Sharafia market. We are okay guys, so we arrived at the Sharafia market, and well, we all are sun-kissed right now, but it's breezy here, and we are going to the vegetable shop first. My friends have been actually forcing me to make videos in Urdu. तो उर्दू में बनानी चाहिए या कैसे करना चाहिए? नदीम साहब क्या बनेगा, इंग्लिश में या उर्दू में?
ठीक है, पूरी टॉपिक रहे।
टॉपिक तो कोई नहीं, ये तो डेली व्लॉग है ना। आ जाओ आगे, जिससे हमने लेना वो आ गया। ओ बच के, ओ नदीम, प्यारे नदीम, गिर नहीं जाना। राशिद साहिब बाजो। गलत जगह पे कारपेट डाला। चलें कोई नहीं। तो नाउ वी आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द vegetable and fruit shop, Khazar Waka as it's called in Arabic. You have to say something? किधर, आपने उधर जाना है? हाँ ठीक है नदीम प्यारे आ जाओ। Check out the Afandi oranges. Those one are the Syrians. This one is the Misri Egyptian. Grapefruit. Very little apples. अनार ठीक नहीं है? Skip these anars. We don't need these anars if we don't need these pomegranates if they are not good. Rashid, Afandi? Spanish Afandi. Now everything is Afandi. How are you, Yusuf Afandi?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
वो नहीं लेना अनार? नहीं,
इतनी छोटे छोटे।
we are only left with bananas. Mr. Nadeem, what do you suggest? What shall we take?
ये लेते हैं ताकि सही है।
केले ही खाने हैं आपने?
हो गया है, बाकी तो कोई
No. What about the pomegranates? You don't think they are good? Let's go see some refrigerated stuff. Let's go over there. In the meanwhile, let me show you the scenes here. Oh, Mr. Nadeem, come here, see this. What about these ones?
ये पूरी पेटी लेनी पड़ेगी।
पेटी लेनी पड़ेगी. We have to buy the whole pack. Nariyal?
खोलना बड़ा मुश्किल।
Oh yeah, it's difficult to open, but at least we can drink the water, and then each of us can take one home.
खोलना बड़ा मुश्किल है।
हाँ।
ये ओपन ही है मेरे ख्याल में। ये है ना, स्ट्रॉ लगेगा।
स्ट्रॉ तो उसमें ऑलरेडी है ना, स्ट्रॉ तो उसके अंदर लग जाना, ऊपर उसके वो लगा। There's you see in this
लगा हुआ ना।
and this one you just put the straw over here. हाँ मेरा ख्याल है ये लेते हैं, ये 3 नारियल
पानी
करते
पिया
हैं,
जाएगा।
पानी पिया जाना। We can only drink the water. We cannot eat this.
ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ
What do you think?
ਠਾਕਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੀ ਨਾ ਗ੍ਰਾਈਂਡਰ ਮਾਰ।
Very naughty. You want to open it with the grinder? You are a very naughty guy, huh? Rashid, at least we can take it back. We'll try to figure out how we'll go about it. I think we should go for this. Let's pick it up. If not the pomegranates, we are going to take this. Let's also show you some other stuff as well. They also have some kiwis over here, strawberries, and there they have the vegetables. Khazar, I think, yeah. अफंदी नहीं, इतना अच्छा नहीं है। राशिद मियाँ, let's go for it, man. What are you thinking about? Let's take one each. Coconut.
ये दोनों।
हाँ मिस्टर नदीम, ये हम उधर ही पहले पियेंगे ना, बाकी ले जाएंगे हम।
अरे ये पीने भी मुश्किल है, खोलना है इसका होल।
नहीं वो देख लेंगे
तोड़ना औखा हो जाना।
देख लेंगे। मिस्टर नदीम, लेट्स गो। Now we are gonna pay. So it's apparently 10 riyal for 3. We are gonna see. So this is what we have. वो ना खाए कोई मसला नहीं, हम खा लेंगे. So Rashid is trying to open it up. Rashid, is it easy?
सारे में को।
हाँ, yeah, he opened it up. So we have to spin it and then it pierces through it, and after that we can After that we can actually put the straw in it. So right now we are going to this one Pakistani restaurant to have a little bit of lunch. Along with that we'll drink this as well.
इसको क्या फायदा है बोलने का?
कोई
अगर आप खाना खाओ नहीं
जब नज़र आ रहा होता फिर बंदा अच्छे से कुछ कर सकता. So our food, in the meanwhile we are figuring out how to open this up, but we are having some food. Let's eat food and Rashid will figure out the.
हो गया इसका.
हो गया? ओए होए ये लाओ, ये तो मेरा था. ये तो मेरा था. ओए वो अंदर ही छोड़ दिया. अब और मुश्किल हो गया.
इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होता है.
Well guys, the good thing, it had a lot of water. बहुत ज़्यादा था पानी. Yeah, it had a lot of water in it. More than the Pakistani coconuts. So the restaurant that we came from, they asked us to make a video of their restaurant as well. It's a buffet. So we had a very good conversation. We might come there someday, right? What do you think? So well, Rashid has these coconuts that we got. He was actually reluctant to take this with us, but we are taking them back because we are gonna be actually taking out the coconut itself. We drank the water, but we are gonna taste the coconut. The weather is just amazing. It's breezy, it's cold, but it's also sunny. Rashid has to go to another place, so we are gonna breeze back to work. बच के यार यहाँ से. Please be careful from here.